some loose leash walking. He starts to get sidetracked. It goes ahead of me. Let's see if he can, or goes behind me. Let's see if he's gonna. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. So if he does that, I just stop. I'll take a few steps back, get him lined back up with me. Uh-oh. And we stop, and he sits. Good boy. Okay. So this is the hand signal for sit. This is the hand signal for down. And he doesn't quite go all the way down, so I don't release the treat till he gets all the way down. Good boy. Stay. 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 Cowboy. Come. Good boy. Come. Good. Very nice. Oh, not quite. I think he has to go potty. Let's try that again. Good. And then this is the swing. Yes, he'll line nicely right back up in the heel position. Very good. So we take another little stroll. He gets sidetracked. He didn't even let me give him the correction that time. He already knew. Good boy. The leash is always loose. Uh-oh. You can always change directions. You can stop and back up. As long as the leash is always loose. Uh-oh. Except for one quick second. Alright, now smile at the camera. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, and then I'll let you potty. Come on. Smile for your family. Okay. Say hi, cowboy.